Here are some best apps for home designing. Morpholio Trace. Morpholio Trace is a popular app for architects, interior designers, and other creative professionals who need to sketch and illustrate their ideas on the go. The app allows users to create digital drawings and sketches, using a variety of different tools and features to bring their designs to life. Home Design 3D. Home Design 3D is an app that allows users to design and visualize their dream home in 3D. The app offers a range of features and tools that make it easy to create detailed floor plans, add furniture and decor, and even view designs in augmented reality. The app includes a range of drag and drop tools and objects that users can use to quickly create a floor plan, including walls, doors, and windows. Planner 5D. Planner 5D is an app that allows users to create and visualize interior designs in 2D and 3D. The app offers a wide range of features and tools that make it easy to create detailed designs, including floor plans, furniture layouts, and decor options. Users can choose from thousands of different objects, including furniture, lighting, and accessories, and add them to their designs with just a few clicks. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design (CAD) software application that is used by architects, engineers, and other professionals to create 2D and 3D designs. The software offers a wide range of features and tools that make it easy to create detailed and accurate designs, including floor plans, elevations, and sections. AutoCAD also includes a wide range of customization options, allowing users to create custom toolbars, menus, and shortcuts. This makes it easy to tailor the software to suit individual workflows and preferences. Floor Plan Creators. Floor Plan Creator are software applications that are used to create detailed and accurate floor plans. These applications are commonly used by architects, engineers, interior designers, and real estate professionals to create floor plans for residential and commercial properties. These applications use advanced algorithms and measurement tools to ensure that the dimensions of each room, wall, and door are precise and accurate. Autodesk Sketchbook. Autodesk Sketchbook is a professional-grade digital drawing and painting application that is used by artists, designers, and other creatives to create digital artwork. The software offers a wide range of features and tools that make it easy to create detailed and intricate designs, including sketching, inking, and coloring tools.